Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we will talk about hand embroidery designs and ideas, unique and attractive designs you can see in this my video. So please friends, watch my video till the end for more designs and more ideas. Hand embroidery has been popular for many years. People use it to decorate clothes, pillow covers, tablecloths, bags and many other fabric items. With a little practice, anyone can learn this creative skill. One of the most popular embroidery designs is the floral pattern. Flowers, leaves and vines look beautiful on any fabric. You can use bright colors like red, pink, yellow and green to make the design stand out. Floral embroidery is perfect for dresses, shirts and home decoration. Another favorite design is the butterfly pattern. Butterfly symbols beautifully transformation. By using colorful threads, you can create eye-catching butterfly designs that make any fabric look special. Many people also enjoy geometric embroidery designs. These patterns use simple shapes such as circles, triangles and squares. Geometric designs look modern and stylish. They are great for cushion covers, tote bags and wall art. Animal-inspired embroidery designs are also becoming very popular. Birds, cats, rabbits and other animals can be stitched with beautiful details. These designs add a fun and creative touch to your projects. For beginners, simple stitches are the best place to start. Running stitch, back stitch, chain stitch and sit-in stitch are easy to learn and can create amazing designs. Once you become comfortable with these stitches, you can try more detailed patterns. Choosing the right colors is very important in embroidery. Soft pastel colors create a calm and elegant look, while bright colors make the design cheerful. You can mix different shades to add depth and beauty to your work. Hand embroidery is not only creative but also relaxing. Many people enjoy embroidery because it helps reduce stress and improves focus. Spending a little time each day on embroidery can be a wonderful way to relax and express your creativity. Hand embroidery items also make throughout gifts. A hand embroidered handkerchiefs, cushion covers, a tote bag can become a special gift for family and friends. Handmade gifts show care, effort and love. Today there are countless embroidery ideas available, from flowers and butterflies to modern patterns and traditional motifs. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.